everybody. Today I thought we would make a snowflake. So we're going to take this piece of paper, we're going to fold it, and we're going to be cutting it and creating our own snowflake. So let's go ahead and start. And I'm starting with a rectangular piece of paper, but I want to turn this into a square to start off with. So to do that, I'm going to take this and fold it so that this edge meets that edge over there. And I always tell my kids here at school that I don't need it to be perfect, it just can't be sloppy. So I did that, and I'm going to go ahead and trace with my pencil along this edge to open it up, and I'm going to cut it on that line. And that's going to give us a pretty much square piece of paper. Like I said, it doesn't need to be perfect, we just can't be sloppy. Cool. So here I have my square piece of paper, and I already have it folded once like this. And so now I'm going to fold it back like that, and I'm going to fold it again to make an even smaller triangle. Now, if we look at this, this top edge, we can do whatever we want to. These two smaller edges, I need to be careful that I don't cut them too much or cut them completely off, because then my snowflake is going to fall apart. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my pencil and I'm going to draw a line from this side to this side, and I'm going to keep it simple. So I might do like some bumps, I might do some zigzags, something like that. But I didn't do anything too crazy. A lot of times I have kids and they just take their pencil and they draw like a million zigzags, and that's really hard to cut out. So let's go ahead and cut that line. Now if you'll notice with my scissors, they're almost always pointed away from me, but when I need to make a turn, I stop cutting, I turn the whole paper, and it's not perfect. There's little pieces where it's like I could have gotten in there better, but that's how we cut. We don't move the scissors so much as we rotate and pivot paper. And I know that can be hard. That's why I said it's best to keep this simple, not do anything too crazy. So this is garbage, and now this is going to be what's going to become our snowflake. So like I said, this top edge, we completely cut that off, and that's okay. But these two other edges, these are our folded edges, and I can't cut those completely off, but I can cut shapes out. So I can do something like, maybe I'll draw like a triangle or a circle or half a circle, I guess, there, and I can maybe do the same thing on the other side. One of the words that we use or talk about when we're doing snowflakes is symmetry. Symmetry is where I can take a shape, and if I were to divide this in half, this side looks like this side. So it's symmetrical. So let's go ahead and cut those. There we go. I'm putting all my scraps in the same place. I don't let them just fly all over the place. Go. One more. Now, if I did too much cutting, this would be falling apart, but I'm keeping it simple, minding which edge I'm working on. So we're going to go ahead and let's start to open this up. So I open it up, and like we said with symmetry, this side is just like that side. And if we open it up again, now we have our snowflake. Let's clear those scraps out of the way so we can take a look. Looks pretty nice. And these can get really intricate. Here at school, we were doing them, and we glued them onto another piece of paper and added some glue and some glitter. Now, depending what you have at home and how okay everyone at your house is with glitter being all over the place, you could give this a try too. But either way, this is something really nice. You can make a bunch of these different sizes, hang them in your window or someplace in your house, and have a really nice ornament or something, or decoration. Cool. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you give it a try. If it falls apart the first time you do it, try it again, and eventually you'll end up with something really nice, I'm sure. All right, guys, have a nice holiday.